Hey there mga my loves, Taurus, yan na Taurian. So ito ay bonus reading for you guys dahil kayo yung pinakamarami talagang views no every time. So thank you so much Taurus no. So this bonus no is like a small gift no for you. Kaya naman before we start itong bonus reading ninyo guys, let me just make bate everybody. Hi and hello, especially sa mga new subscribers no. Welcome. Sana magstay po kayo dito. My name is Yan. At sa aking mga pabalik-balik talaga ng mga tambayers. Wow. Okay. Sobrang natatouch talaga ako sa inyo. So maraming thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. So kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa po tayong other channel. Ang link ay nakalagay sa description box ng reading na ito. Kaya naman, if you're interested din na tumambay dyan, meron din tayong daily collective readings for all signs. Anumang zodiac sign pwedeng makinig at tumambay dyan. Basta just take only what resonates. So let's begin this reading right here. Wala tayong gender dito, Taurus, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Cross-watchers ni Taurus or kung may Taurus placement sa kanilang natal or birth chart, welcome then. Everybody, you have your free will na pwede nyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So let's go ahead, check these messages here for you guys. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here? Added messages for Taurians. Added messages for Taurians. This is their bonus reading. Can we get added messages? Informations you want them to know? Can you please show me? Archangel Michael, together with the angels and guides and ancestors of Taurus. Thank you so much para sa palagian ninyong presence sa kanilang reading. Can you please show me messages you want them to know? What does Taurus needs to know? Can you please show me? Okay, so let us see, Taurus, what do we have here for you, babes? You have here Tower energy. Present then, Queen of Coins, Six of Swords, Queen of Cups, Ten of Coins, and Four of Wands energy. Bottom of the deck, Ten of Swords, Page of Wands, and the Lover's card energy. For some reason, may permission tayo to look at what's next. The Knight of Swords. Okay, so let's put it like this. Okay, so Taurus, nakita tayo rito ng energy. Yan, no? Na mukhang with the Six of Swords energy to the Four of Wands, it looks like meron na rito, no, na magkakaroon na ng kapayapaan, no, sa kanilang love life. Yan. I do see na meron na ditong kapayapaan na mamamayani sa love life mo, no? Kasi parang naging maugong yung love life mo before. It looks like, no, you've been through different relationships but nothing works, no? At maaring nag-failed ang mga yon. I do see na parang kung bibilangin sa daliri ninyo, no, sa paa or sa kamay, pagsamahin nyo pa, lahat ng yon ay parang halos madami dun yung parang may third party na someone else. But I'm seeing it, no, na nag-end na because you're already moving into calmer water. And what does it mean? You are already moving into 11-11. You could be seeing a lot of 11-11 right here, sweetheart Taurus, because Four of Wands is right here. You're heading towards the right direction. 11-11 means you're on the right path. You're on the right track. And I do see you here building and creating here your own family. For my single Taurians out there, single era will be over soon. I do see that within or inside 4 months, no, from now, no, or bilangin ninyo. I'm getting that type of energy, but 4 is a very strong indication, no, that 4 is family. So, I do see that you will build a connection here with someone and it will turn romantically. So, maaari magsimula ito as somewhat platonic. Pwedeng maging colleagues kayo at first or friends at first. But I do see that your connection will evolve naturally and the bond will tighten, no? At nakita ko na maraming situations kayong pagsasamahan kung saan yun ay para-paraan, yes, na pare-paraan ni universe, no, para kayo ay magka-inlaban. So, yun ay mga babes, no, ay isang klase ng way ni universe, no, to show you guys, no, even this person here na makakonect ninyo, no, to show you that this is the right person for you, sent from up above. So, yeah, me, um, so, ayun, sorry about that commercial mga babes, no? So, going back here, no? So, yun, I was being reminded, no, by the Westlife's song, Beautiful in White. So, yeah, talaga naman, no, na may kakasal kayo dito with the right one here for you guys, with the Four of Wands energy. So, nakita ko dito, no, na kung sino man yung darating sa buhay ninyo, siya na talaga, ano, yung nakatadhana here for you guys, no? At tapos na rito, no, yung ah, mga experiences ninyo na ini-involve kayo sa third party situation, no? Bayad na ang inyong karmic debts, no? Madami man yun or whatever, no? Bayad na yun. So, nakita ko rito, no, na kung sino man tong person na to, LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo. Wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki. This person here is giving me the vibe that he or she is really someone who will support you, magiging supportive siya sa mga pangarap at gusto mo ritong ma-attain sa life, no? At this person here will do everything para lang talaga ma-secure yung safety ninyo, no? Very protective siya sa iyo at sa magiging anak ninyo. Lalo na pag may anak na kayo, mas lalong mamahalin kayo nitong tao na to, no? Yan. Okay? So, yung iba, LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo. This person here will stay by your side up until the end. So, nakita ko dito na you will be in a relationship very soon. Kaya naman, prepare yourself. Yung iba naman na pwedeng kayo ay committed na with someone special and you feel like na siya yung binabanggit ko dito, then that person here, yung nakikita ko na pakakasalan niya kayo, and this person here will decide to make a move or to organize already or to plan or already for this marriage. Yan, no? So, maliban dyan, Taurus, nakita rin tayo rito ng energy. Wow, beautiful energy with the Queen of Pentacles energy and the Ten of Coins. Hindi nyo ba alam na ang laki ng success ni ito? May pagyaman era tayo nakita rito with the Queen of Pentacles energy to the Ten of Coins. No, see, yung hawak ninyo, yan yung parang skills ninyo ngayon, yung ability ninyo ngayon, mahahasa yan, no? Yan ay mabibigyan rito ng pansin. Kaya meron ditong 10 of coins kasi lalago yung pera nyo. So, nakita ko rito, no, na meron ditong magandang mangyayari sa inyong kaperahan kung saan magiging stable ang inyong pamumuhay. Kung noon, no, parang kayo to na sakto lang, no, tamang-tama lang yung kinikita ninyo, no, para sa mga dapat ninyong bayarin or yung mga panggastos, no. Pero dito nakita ko rito, no, na meron kayo ritong mararating dahil sa inyong abilidad, skills, no. Yung iba nasa loob na kayo ng trabaho na yan, dapat nyo lang pag-ibayuhin, no. So, meron ako nakikita rito na pag may opportunity na binigay sa inyo or kahit na may opportunity na pinakita, go, no? I-grab mo yon kasi nakita ko rito na magdadala yun sa'yo rito sa Ten of Pentacles energy. Dito may negosyo kung saan nakita ko nagyayaman kayo. Yan, no? Kung ano man yan mga babes, no? Nakita tayo ng a lot of green and gold. Yan mga babes, no? So, ibig sabihin, money, pentacles ay talaga namang mag-grow. Expect that opportunity, no? To come towards you, lalo na kung ikaw to na hindi ka tumitigil na matuto. Like, this is you, hindi ka nagsastop to learn something new. No? New knowledge, new skills, new ability. Yan. Kasi yan yung magtitik sa'yo dito sa Ten of coins. This is a chest of gold coins. And what you will gain for yourself is something big. Okay? So, maliban dyan, nakakita rin po tayo rito, no, ng energy kung saan meron ditong energy ng parang parent vibe. So, I think this is your mom. If not your mom, could be your dad right here, no? But yeah, I'm getting the vibe of a parent figure. This person here loves you so much. So, whatever it is that is happening sa inyo, affected siya more than anyone else. Pag merong bagay rito na nagpalungkot sa inyo, nagpa-disappoint sa inyo, mas disappointed po siya. Pag may bagay dito na nagpasaya sa inyo, nagpagalak sa inyo, mas masaya po siya. You know, bakit siya rito pinapakita sa reading ninyo kung ganun lang din naman yung mensahe? It is because this is someone here you treasure the most. This is someone here you love the most. Okay? Mas mahal mo kaysa sa jowa mo. Mas mahal mo kaysa sa asawa mo. Walang iba, kundi yung nanay mo. Yeah. When you're hurt, your mother is mas nasasaktan. When you're happy, your mother is mas masaya for you. Okay. So it looks like universe right here wants you to know that your mom loves you so much and cares for you, you know. And nakita ko dito na yan, universe right here with the Tower card energy. There's this Queen of Cups right here and the Lovers. Universe will pour, yan no, good health to this lovely creature in your life. Yung iba, nakita ko dito, matanda na yung mom ninyo, like talagang may edad na siya, no, nag-i-age na siya rito, no, but universe will keep this person here healthy. Yeah. I'm seeing the universe sending protection from their power, no, para maprotektahan yung mom mo and to make that person healthier. Yan. So, ang ganda ng message na yun, no? Parang, universe right here, dahil mapagbigay ka sa iyong nanay, you are kind to your mom and respectful. Universe, no, will also show respect to that person kasi yan yung humubog kung sino ka ngayon. Yeah! Nakita tayo dito na minsan suplada ka, minsan suplado ka, minsan parang may mga times na nakakapagsalita ka rin because of anger, no? Pero hindi naman yun blockages, no? Para hindi narito ibigay ni universe, no? Yung mga gusto mo. Okay? And I think you have this subconsciously inside you that you also wish for your mom to live long and to have a healthy body, and the universe will give it, no? Kasi kahit suplado ka minsan, no, mabuti kang tao. Yan. So, maliban dyan, nakata rin tayo rito ng energy, no? There is someone here coming towards you, speaking yung kanyang gustong sabihin, processing from the place of his or her emotions. Nasasaktan siya rito dahil hindi mo siya pinili when it comes to love. And from some reason, no, nakita ko rito na kung sino man siya, never niya namang inamin na gusto niya kayo. Pero nakita ko itong kakausapin niya kayo kung bakit hindi mo siya rito pinili. Ha? Ano miss yan? Hindi ko nga alam, di ba? Bakit parang magde-demand siya na yes, this person here will demand, no? Kung bakit mo nga yun parang nagawa, no? Na parang sinasabi niya rito na you betrayed him or her just because hindi mo siya rito pinili. So maybe meron kayo ritong options when it comes to love because the Lover's card energy is also talking about options when it comes to love. However, this person right here, no, is nagde-demand rito ng explanation kung bakit may pinili kang iba, okay, gayong gusto ka rin naman daw niya. Pero sinasabi mo rito na hindi mo naman alam, and yes, nakita ko naman na wala naman siyang sinabi, 'di ba? Na gusto ka niya. Ngayon pa lang mo nalaman, no, yung nararamdaman niya dahil nagsalita na siya. So, anong nangyari doon? Kasi this person right here is already doing actions na pala na pwedeng gumagawa na pala siya rito ng mga parang ligaw 'no, pero hindi mo naman alam na nililigaw siya 'no? Kasi baka mamaya na-mistaken mo lang 'yun as pagiging nice and thoughtful niya sa'yo pero wala namang mali siya, 'di ba? Kasi minsan may mga friends tayo nagiging nice and thoughtful na parang 'di ba minsan binibigyan tayo "Ito may extra ako ritong food, oh, ay gusto mo candy?" Mga gano'n 'no. Pero siya, in-expect niya na rito na gets mo na. Hoy, wag mong gawing manghuhula 'tong mga Torians na mga nakshis ko dito, you know? So, ganyan yung parang in-expect niya na yun. So, parang ano, miss yan, ang gulo naman niya. Yes, kasi alam mo mga babes 'no, hindi naman talaga niya rito sinabi na gusto niya kayo, pero gumagawa na pala siya rito ng mga actions 'no. Yung mga actions na yun, may meaning na pala yun. So, parang nagse-send na pala siya na parang dapat gets mo na, 'di ba? So, ano 'to, bugtong-bugtong. So, parang gano'n. So, yan maliban diyan 'no, Taurus, nakakita rin po ako dito ng energy na meron kayo ditong gagawin na action at maaaring may kinalaman ito sa pag-travel. Puwedeng work-related or business-related 'no, pero mag-e-enjoy kayo. Ayan 'no. Kayo man yung napiling representative or hindi, or parang yan siguro yung trabaho ninyo, okey, nakita ko rito mag-e-enjoy kayo. Parang hindi kayo nagwo-work or parang diyan sa travel, business travel na yan or related sa inyong trabaho 'no, na travel na yan, nakita ko kayo ritong mag-e-enjoy. Kasi meron kayo siguro ditong parang maisisingit na gawin, siguro selfie-selfie ganyan or makaka-try kayo ng food dito. Yung iba siguro sa labas ng bansa, yung iba naman puwedeng maganda yung pupuntahan mo like nakaka-relax, ganyan 'no. So, instead of, parang manghina yung katawan ninyo, "Ano ba naman 'yan, trabaho na naman." 'No, instead na gano'n, excited pa kayo dito. Like you're gonna pack your bags 'no, like para ka lang ritong magbabakasyon 'no, parang puwede mo ng isuot yung shades mo dito at ang iyong beach hat. Parang bakasyon yung dating, pero trabaho talaga yung pinunta mo dun, pero nakikita ko that you will enjoy and have fun doon. Yan. So, yan, ito yung mga nakuha kong mensahe here for you guys. Yan. Thank you so much, Sarang Heo, Taurus, Love and Light, and annyeong.